In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lip sync in HeyGen. We'll walk through the exact clicks you need and I'll explain what each choice does so your avatar's mouth movements line up cleanly with the voice you use. Start by heading to the HeyGen home. This is your workspace hub and it's the easiest place to access the tools we need. A stable connection helps because voice models and previews rely on quick processing in the cloud. Next, look to the left sidebar and click Video Agent. This is where lip sync really happens. The video agent brings together your avatar, your script or audio, and the timing engine that turns spoken sounds into accurate mouth shapes called Vismes. Think of it as the control room for syncing speech with facial movement. Inside the video agent, click Voice. Lip sync is driven by the voice source you select here, so this panel is essential. Everything from voice choice to style affects how clearly the avatar articulates consonants and vowels, which is what sells the illusion on screen. Click Auto to let HeyGen automatically pick and optimize a voice for you. Auto is designed for quick results. It matches a suitable voice and handles the phoneme timing behind the scenes, giving you clean, believable sync without extra tuning. It's a great starting point if you want good lip sync fast. Click Clone Your Voice if you want the closest match to a real speaker. Clone voices often produce highly accurate lip movements because the model learns the speaker's pacing and pronunciation. Make sure you only use a voice you have the right to use and that your source audio is clear and free of background noise. Cleaner input leads to crisper mouth shapes. Click Design a voice to craft a custom sound. Adjusting tone, brightness, or speaking style can change how distinctly the avatar forms words. Subtle, natural settings usually yield better articulation than extreme ones. If you need a particular character or brand sound, this path lets you shape it while keeping intelligibility for lip sync. Finally, click Import from third party if your voice lives elsewhere. This option lets you bring in external providers so the video agent can still drive Vismes from that audio. Consistent audio quality and standard formats tend to improve timing alignment. That's the flow. Home, video agent, voice, then choose auto, clone your voice, design a voice, or import from third party. Pick the option that matches your needs, and HeyGen will handle the synchronization, turning your chosen voice into natural, on-beat lip movements for your avatar.